Hello everyone, my name is Sheriff Sharma. I'm the Director of Business Development with DTN Staffing, and welcome to our brand new time clock system named WebCenter. We also have a more friendly, convenient version as a mobile app named Tempworks. Well, we will discuss that in a later video. This video is just to show you guys how our employees can log in, track their pay stubs, and make any necessary changes needed in a more convenient way possible. So let's get started. First of all, everyone has been emailed the link to this new system. It's called WebCenter. As soon as you click on that link, it will take you to this dashboard. Now this dashboard is going to ask you to enter your username and password. Username is, we have set up a standard username for every employee, which has all the details in the email sent to you guys. It's your first name and last name. No spaces, all small letters. And password is standard DTN 6672884, all small letters in the beginning. Again, that information is in the email. If any of the employees are having difficulty accessing that, please feel free to call us or email us. So I just have a test username here, Sam Smith, and we have a password. We're going to enter our credentials here, and we're going to log in. Now, as soon as you log in, you will notice this window. This is basically a summarized version of everything, your assignment, any pending documents that's due for you to submit, all your previous and new time cards, everything is in here. I just want to go over a few options. As soon as you enter this app with the credentials that were provided to you, the first thing you will do is change your password. Now, how do you change your password? You will go to this information option right on top, and you click on that. It will take you here. It says change password. This is where you will type your current password, which will be DTN 6672884, and you will just assign yourself a new password and you just change it. Now, that way you have your privacy, you have your own password set up for this account, and the same credentials will work for our app as well. Now let's talk about some of the options on this page. Home screen will just give you a summarized version of everything. You have your pending documents. Current assignments is where you will see where you're currently contracted at. If you're contracted, for example, Knife River, you will see your title as a CNA, LPN, RN, and then underneath it will say Knife River Care Center. Now, some of our employees might be working in two different facilities. You will see two different assignments based on two different customers. And then bottom here, you'll see the time card. Active, if you click on active, it will take you to the active current time card that you're currently working on. Needs attention will basically filter out any time card that wasn't submitted properly, wasn't saved properly. It'll take you there. Submitted is option. All the previous time card that were submitted in the past, you can take a look at it. And completed is basically all the time cards are completed but just haven't been submitted yet. So just few options here. Assignment is where you will see your contracts. And this is again a test customer, so I've created multiple of them. But depending on your job title, you will see your assignments listed here. Calendar will basically give you your schedule based on whatever assignments you are in. This will automatically populate here. Time cards is basically all the time that you have submitted for the previous week. This is an example of previously that I've just tested out, and you can change, you can edit them, and this is basically what your time card will look like. You'll be able to enter punch in, lunch, punch out, all the details for the whole week. And in the notes, or you can add any specific notes. If you made any errors, you can add that here. Also add adjustments. This will basically give you your adjustments like miles, meals, lodging, all of that, which will be determined by your staffing manager. So all the details that they tell you, that's how you will input those here. And once you're done, you can just submit the time card. Obviously it's giving me error because it's already done in the past, but this is just an example to show you what your previous time cards might look like. Then the next is pay history. Now pay history, obviously I have nothing here, but this will basically give you all your previous paychecks, all the details on the paycheck. They will all be populated here, and they will be downloadable, so you can download that as an Excel file. Next option we have is documents. The documents is something that all our employees need to update every year, and this is where they will be able to see, like the annual education, COBRA acknowledgement, anything that we want employees to update and to have access to that document all the time. You will be able to download this to your phone. Let's say you need an employee handbook that there's some policies you're confused about or don't know about. Here you can download that. Another new feature with this is job board. Now, all our employees are used to getting text messages, email on all our brand new assignments, brand new contracts. This job board, basically, it's a brand new feature where you can just go to this option and it will show you all our current listings. As you can see, all our current listing with the details will pop up in here. If anybody's interested in any of these contracts, all you have to do is click on one of them and add job. As soon as you add job, our staffing manager will get a notification. For example, John Doe is interested in this position, and they can assign it directly through this app to you and send it out to you. So just another really good feature to go and look which are the active assignments available right now. There's all different kinds. And here's some filters you can filter out based on cities, how many miles, all of that. You can just filter them here. Last option on this feature is HR Center. HR Center is another tool where all our employees can submit the documents if they're missing anything. Let's say we need few of your documents updated. We will be sending you these workflows. All you have to do is go to your HR Center. It will tell you, for example, here it's a CNA onboarding. I click on that and it will tell me what documents I need to upload, and you can just type it in here and submit it. You can take pictures of document and submit it here, and that will just it's a very convenient way of submitting all your documents. Also, contact us. We'll give you basically details on how to contact us if you have any issues. And then you obviously log out. So this basically is a website version, a browser version of our feature, which have a lot more details to it. But we have a similar app that will do everything that's in here, but not as many details. I feel like our employees will appreciate that more. So I will talk about that in the next video. Thank you for your time. You guys have a good one. If you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call. Thank you.